Hello friends, welcome back. As we have gone through the basics of C programming, the introduction to C in my first video. So let's put to use the knowledge which we have gained and just write a basic C program. So let's get started. So this is the Turbo C++ compiler. So I'll start the integrated development environment for C, and this is a simple program which I have written for it's a simple program of a C, a basic program. I'll explain you line by line. The first two statements, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. These are the header files, and these are also known as preprocessor directives. These are used because the statements printf and scanf, which are used in this program, these are defined under these header files. So we have to include them so that when C program compiles and runs, it refers to these header files for these functions. So what we have done in this program is we have just taken a value from user and displayed it. So we have included void main, and then this is a main function. I'll explain the details later. Then this is called as the body of the program. We have declared a variable a as an integer. It's declared as int a. Please note the color of int. It is a keyword, so it is displayed in white color. All the keywords in C are displayed in white color. Then we have used clr that is clear screen function to just clear up the output screen. Then we have used printf and enter the value of a. Here we are accepting the value of a from user. This is the message displayed to the user under double quotes. And then in the next line we have used scanf percentage d in double quotes and ampersand a. So let me explain you this. Scanf is used to accept input from the user. Double quotes we have to use in as defined for scanf statement, and then we have used here format specifier percentage d. So as we have learned from the previous video, percentage d is for integer, and as we have declared a as integer, so we are using here percentage d comma ampersand a. This and symbol is called as an ampersand, and this ampersand a means address of the variable a. As in variables, I have explained, like, the memory allocation happens when we declare a variable integer a. So now the name for that memory is given as the variable name, that is a. So here we have written as address of a. So whatever user will put the value, it will get stored at address of a, that is ampersand a. And then the next statement we are doing like printf value of a is equal to percentage d and then a. Here what we are doing is, this is whatever we have written, like, to just to make it more user friendly, and we have used again percentage d format specifier. So we have to display the value of a which user has entered. So we have used a format specifier percentage d and then a, so that it will pick the value from the address and it of a, and it will display it here. And then get ch, it is a character, like until user enters any character, the output screen will remain intact. So now let's compile this program. So we are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. So now let's run it. So now as you can see, it's asking the value of a. Suppose I am entering 67. We have got the output value of a is 67. Suppose if I again run it, I don't have the earlier values. This is because use of the clear screen function. So if I enter another number, we are getting the value. So it's just like, as I said, like the as I had just mentioned, the printf, scanf, printf, get ch statements in the earlier video. This will be more clear when I will explain it in the program. So I hope this has been informative for you, and I request you to like and subscribe if you have liked the video. I'll be coming up with more programs and more concepts of C. Thank you.